Hello everybody. Did you know that toothbrushing alone is not sufficient to prevent dental diseases like dental decay and gum diseases? Along with toothbrushing, we also require dental flossing, interdental brushes, and oral irrigating devices to prevent dental decay and gum diseases. This is the dental floss. Pull this dental floss out to 4 to 5 inches long, cut it off, then wind it around your fingers. The remaining part, which is between the fingers, has to be pushed in between the tooth to get the debris out from the teeth. Take the dental floss in between the teeth by pushing it inside. Move it backward and forward so that the food which is stuck between the tooth is dislodged. This has to be followed up by dental brushing so that you will be devoid of any dental decay and gum diseases. So dental flossing is to remove the debris between the teeth, and interdental brushes is to remove the debris which is stuck between the tooth and the gums. Hope you are clear with when to do flossing and how to do flossing. Thank you.